Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sush Dazzles. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve my flawless base, and for any kind of eye look or makeup look, the base should be perfect, otherwise the makeup doesn't look that great. So I'm going to show you how to achieve this flawless, glowy, healthy looking skin kind of look. So let's get started. So I'm starting with my primer, and this is the L'Oreal Base Magique Transforming Smoothing Primer, and I love it. Next I'm taking this orange color corrector. This is the Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade orange, and I'm applying it in areas where I feel I have pigmentation and also under my eyes, and then blending it with my fingers. This neutralizes the dark circles and the pigmentation. I'm taking two foundations together, mixing them, and they are MAC Face and Body Foundation, and that's my absolute favorite. And another one is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I'm taking my Real Techniques sponge and blending the foundation, and I take little product at a time to avoid my foundation from looking cakey. And when I need more product, I just build it up, and I take time to blend my foundation so that it looks seamless. Now taking the other side of my sponge that does not have any product, I bounce it on my skin so that it takes away any extra product. Now I'm taking the Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer and applying it under my eyes, and I blend it well with my fingers because the warmth of the fingers melts the product into my skin and makes it look more natural. Then I'm blending it with a sponge so that it takes away any extra product. Now at this point of time, I thought that I needed more product, so I'm adding more. Next I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and applying it under my eyes to brighten that area, and also my forehead, the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and then blending it with my sponge. This gives my face some dimension and highlights those areas. Now I'm taking this Body Shop loose powder, and I'm gonna dip my sponge in it and apply it under my eyes. But before that, I'm making sure that there are no creases under my eyes, otherwise the powder is gonna set those lines. Now I'm applying the powder under my eyes and my T-zone, and without taking any extra product, I'm applying it all over my face. And this gives a very airbrush kind of look. This is one way of doing it, and I sometimes, instead of taking the sponge, I take this huge brush and bake my under eyes, and I apply the powder under my eyes, keep it for about a minute, and then brush it off. Next I'm taking this Girl Brow Pencil, doing my eyebrows. I just follow my natural eyebrow shape and fill in the areas where I need it, and ta-da! I just did my eyebrows, my eyes, and put on some lip shade. Now I'm taking my Body Shop bronzer, and I'm bronzing the face. Next I'm taking my Girl Pro Contour Powder, and I'm contouring my face. Just keeping it really light on the skin. So just the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, and my nose. Now taking this super good highlighter, and this is the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, I'm gonna highlight the high points of my face, that is on top of my cheeks, my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Now I'm taking this blush from the Body Shop and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. That's it. This is how I achieve my flawless base, and this is my finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos thrice a week. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.